तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। आप इंडियन है क्या?
नहीं, मैं नहीं बोला था।
कुछ तो बोलो।
कुछ नहीं बोल। I have nothing to say.
Everything all right, right?
Yeah, everything is all right.
Where do you live? Here?
I
Somewhere?
don't live here. Don't live here.
Where?
I live in Sumsipur.
Samsepo. Samsepo also get infected many people.
But there's no police there right now.
There is not yet lockdown, right?
Yeah, no, not yet lockdown.
Okay. Do you think so? There's gonna be lockdown in near future or what?
Yes, coming days there might be lockdown. Because same as Jordan, they have many populated area.
Where are you from? What nationality you are belong?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay. So do you know the ethnic minorities are pinpointed as a coronavirus spreader by the government official?
Yeah, I have seen news regarding people who are working in Deliveroo and Food Panda.
Yeah.
They have been targeted like race discrimination. Have you seen the news?
Yeah.
The people, the customers are saying that
That
there's no
needs it.
Indian or Pakistani people, they should bring the food or deliver to us. So I think that the disease, any kind of disease, does not see any race.
Yeah.
Whether
True.
he's a Chinese, he's a white guy, he's Asian guy,
Yeah.
so we should not be discriminated,
Yeah.
So I think this is not good. But
What
let's
could be the
hope for the best.
ground of saying so by the citizen, or maybe they are because of government officials said something previously, as a consequences, other people also thinking this community should be avoided or what?
you mean,
At first, Monday last week, right? The Raymond Ho,
yeah.
he expressed something regarding ethnic minorities are partly responsible to spread this coronavirus in this Jordan area because of their
Irresponsibility.
because of their cultural background, because they get together, eat together, likewise. So afterwards, maybe Hong Kong people started to think that way too. That's why they are trying to avoid such kind of nationality people regarding the delivery or something else, as you said. What's your take?
But as far as I know, I have been seeing news regarding people getting infected. I did not see many Asian people getting infected. I did not see.
But why this
I
kind of a statement is coming? Because it is solely because of discriminative mentality?
Okay, let's say like this. Many Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, there have been many cases. Because we people travel a lot from our countries.
Yeah.
So they might be kind of mind that they come from Pakistan, India, they have been infected, so they come here and then they join their families, and like this they get the infection will be spreaded.
Oh.
So maybe they have this kind of mindset, but I should say that we should try to avoid any family gathering or like kind of this situation right now. As when the pandemic is over, then I think everybody should, there should be no restriction. But right now, they should avoid doing like this. And I think that there shouldn't be any race discrimination because we're also a human like them.
Yeah, sure.
We're
yeah.
also working. They're also working. So I think this is kind of wrong message. Even to the outside world, because we have been living in Hong Kong since many years.
Yeah.
Like our grandfathers, grandmothers, they have been in Hong Kong for a long time. Then our fathers, then we are also working here, study here and working here. So I think this should not be, they should not link any coronavirus or any kind of disease, with Asian people.
Yeah.
I think they should be more from government.
Yeah. Like Carrie Lam, the leader of Hong Kong, is quite aware of it, and she already defied that was a wrong statement given by the health official. She said already there is no connection of ethnicity to spread coronavirus, whatever, right?
Yeah.
So she already clarified But do you think our community, ethnic minorities, the lifestyle or anything else, partly responsible for spreading the virus? Or
I should say
because what he mentioned is because of culture they gather. They like to gather, drink, smoke.
Yeah, you're right. We people like to get around quite often. But as I've already said before, I did not see many cases regarding Asian people in Hong Kong. I see most of them are Chinese. There might be case of 1 or 2 only, because we should also have the same infection like Chinese. But I did not see any Asian people. Not many cases. I did not heard any from the news that, total numbers are like 100 something. 10 people are from Asia and 90 people are from Asia, from Chinese culture. So I did not see many people, our people get infected. So,
they're trying to get excuses to cover up their own guilty or face.
Yes, you can say like that. You can say like that. You can say like that.
Okay. Do you have any final say?
Okay. My final thought, my final message is, when the wave 1 came, we were the same Pakistani people, Indian people, Asian people living, and then the second wave came, third wave came, no problem. When the fourth wave came, and then there's a spike in cases, and now they are blaming Asian people. So I can't understand. How they are saying that we people are responsible for getting infected. There was first wave, second wave, third wave. We are the same people.
Yeah.
But I don't understand what kind of statement is this, or what kind of race discrimination is this. I don't see this is a wild reason. So my message is there should be peace. We should fight together. Instead of blaming each other, we should work together.
Okay. Thank you very much. So, your name, please, once again.
My name is Zohib Hassan.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
साथीहरु नमस्ते। अब फेरि यहाँ चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई अहिलेको के छ त फेरि गतिविधि सचित्र देखाउन गइरहेछु। अहिले मैले यो पार्टमा मात्रै हेरिरहेको छु। अब अर्को पार्टतिर पनि तपाईहरुलाई बिस्तारै लाने प्रयास गर्छु। अहिले म सांघाई स्ट्रिटमा उभिएको छु। यो जोर्डन याओचिमोङ जिल्लाको जोर्डन भन्ने इलाकामा पर्दछ। याओचिमोङ भनेको यामाते, छिम्सासोय र मङकोक तीनटा जिल्ला मिलेर एउटा ठुलो जिल्ला बनेछ। त्यसलाई चाहिँ याओचिमोङ, याओचिमोङको यामाते पनि भन्छ यसलाई। किन यामाते भन्छ भने यामाते भित्रको चाहिँ अर्को सानो सब इलाका चाहिँ जोर्डन हो हैन। त्यसकारण म यहाँ छु। म तपाईलाई अब अर्को साइडमा लान्छु। हेलो, गुड इभिनिङ, नमस्ते। नो, ओके। जसको शरीरमा कोरोना नेगेटिभ देखा पर्छ उहाँहरू चाहिँ आजको 6 बजेदेखि उपरान्त बाहिर केही सम्मको निमित्त जान सक्ने नयाँ आदेश आएका कारण अहिले संक्रमणग्रस्त स्पेसिफाइड इलाकाका मानिसहरू बाहिर निस्कने क्रम जारी छ र धेरै नेपालीहरूलाई मैले भेटेको छु। यो नेपालीहरू बस्ने एरिया पनि भएको कारणले नेपालीहरूसँग साक्षात्कार हुनु नौलो कुरो भएन। अब म अर्को लोकेसनमा तपाईँहरूलाई लाँदैछु। यो चाहिँ सिल गरिएको छ। के रहेछ यताको दृश्य यसरी तपाईँको गार्डिङ गरेर प्रत्येक ढोकाबाट माथिबाट कोही निस्किन्छ कि भनेर प्रत्येक एन्ट्रान्सलाई गार्डिङ गरिएको छ। गार्डिङ गरिएको हुन्छ अर्थात्